Raina, and on today's 100-hour save, we are talking print publishing. So yes, Amazon, I mean, everyone uses it, so we have to use it. So yes, Amazon print. Ingram Spark. So Ingram Spark is where you're going to get your U.S. distribution for Barnes and Noble, retailers like Walmart, etc. Book Vault. Book Vault, I recommend if you have folks in UK and you want to get it there. They're the biggest ones for the UK. They have some other really cool outlets and stores that have it and get it online. Customer service, not that great, but again, if you want to have it in Europe, etc., it's a great way to do that. Keep in mind that if you have in the country you want to go to, if Amazon is available for that country, you can just always use Amazon for that specific country. And it will show up in the links just like it does in US. So for example, I give the French website for Amazon out just as much as I do for the US. So it's your book's covered as long as Amazon website is available for that country. One thing to point out is that in terms of quality and print, again, keep in mind this is for a color book, right? And we want color books to look pretty. Amazon has a less expensive version and then a really nice version. So there's really no in between. So I personally, I'm using the lesser quality paper just to keep it affordable. And even still, it's, the price of my book is rather high compared to others because it is a color book. But again, that's the whole point. The colored pictures is why I wrote the thing. Ingram Spark, however, has a higher quality as their lowest quality, and it's really, really nice. So when you are buying your author copies, Ingram Spark is going to be a couple more dollars, but oh my goodness, it is so worth it. The quality is outstanding. The color is outstanding. The overall book itself is outstanding. It's a little bit thicker because the paper, the higher quality, it makes your book a little tiny bit thicker. But if I'm going to buy books to just kind of leave places, I'll do the Amazon authors. But if I'm going to buy books to give to people, especially important people that I'm giving them out to, I always use Ingram Spark for my author copies. It's a choice. It costs a little bit more. You're not going to make as much at a Barnes and Noble sale as you do an Amazon sale, but for me it's worth it because I worked really hard and I want the quality to be good. But again, we have to use Amazon because it's Amazon, and here we are. Hope this helps.